Om Swastiastu. Nangun Satkerti Loka Bali, menuju Bali, era Bali. Hi everyone, welcome back to the English class with me, Wayan Ardani. Have you read, listen or watching the news today? I think everyone like to read the news from newspaper, listening it to the radio or watching it from the television. Okay class, the topic today is about news item text. Please pay your attention. Now, I will explain about the definition of news item. News item is a text which informs readers about events of the day. The events are considered newsworthy or important. Next, how is a news item organized? Okay, there are three. First, newsworthy event introducing the information of who, when, and where of the event. Second, there is a background event explaining the background on why or how the event happened. And the third source, it can be the agent, victim, witness, or authorities of the event. Next, the language features of news item. Okay, the language features. First, the information on the use of headlines. Second, use of action verb. Third, use of saying verb. 4. Use of passive voice. 5. Use of adverb time, place, and manner. Use of past tense, present tense, and future tense. And the last, use of material process to retell the event. Next, the example of the news item. Okay, you can see the generic structure on the left side and the text on the right side. Okay, the headlines. A couple arrested for dealing drugs in shopping center. A couple was arrested for bringing 5 grams of crystal methamphetamine or sabu-sabu to the Pasar Central shopping center in Majene, West Sumatra. The couple usually met their buyers at the shopping center. They have sold the drugs for 1 year. According to Majene Police Drug Unit Second Inspector Muhammad Nur Parape, the arrest of Muslimin and his wife, Risma, was one of the largest given the amount of sabu confiscated. We have kept the suspect mob under surveillance for more than a month. Our officer arrested them immediately once they were certain that there was evidence, he said on Wednesday. Parape added the suspects are being charged with the 2009 anti-drug law, which carries a maximum of 12 years imprisonment. Police officers are currently tracing the suppliers of the drug. Okay, I think that's all for our English class today. See you next lesson. Goodbye.